A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rizky Nurji Purnomo. I want to explain the graduate competition attitudes. Number one, trust in good Almighty and be able to show religious attitudes. That means keeping the commandments and staying away from his prohibition. The good-fearing man of the one true God will always try to carry out all the commandments and avoid the prohibition of the one true God. God creates man as the most perfect being and do it with reason. With his meat and mean, man can develop live and means the nature that God has bestowed for a better life. The first precept of Pancasila reads, the one true God. It show that the Indonesian nation is a nation that believes and fear God Almighty. Religious character is obedient attitude and behavior in carrying out the teaching of religion that it addressed to being tolerant of worship of others and establishing harmony of life between other religions. Point 2. Upholding the value of humanity in carrying out duties based on religions, moral, and ethics. I think uphold the value of humanity is to treat human beings as their nature of dignity and dignity as being who have feeling and mean. For example, if we have a domestic assistant, then we must treat them well because they are careless and have reason. Point 3. Contribution the improving the quality of life of society, nation. Of life of society, nation, state, and civilization based on Pancasila. The word contribution here as the intervention of the community in the form of energy, mind, and concern for a program of or activity carried out by certain party will improving the quality in itself mean a way to raise the standard of life to be better than before. Then about the contribution of improving the quality mean improving the quality of life the nation, state, and civilization based on Pancasila mean improving the quality of life of the nation and civilization accordance with the principle of Pancasila. Especially the 5 precept of social justice for all Indonesians mean all Indonesians have the right to get good justice such as improving the quality of life in aspect of education, health, and human resource. Here are examples of contribution the improving the quality of life. Number 1. Provide fund and facility to educational institute. Point 2. Establishment of private education institution. Point 3. Become a provider of volunteer education service and civil servants such as teaching, lecture, tutor, bimbel, and many more. Number 4. Provide assistance for the development of existing health infrastructure. Alright. Point 4. As proud citizens of and love the homeland, have nation and a sense of responsibility to the country and the nation. Nationalism is a politic attitude of nation societies that has similar culture and region. as well as similar ideal and goodwill. Responsibility is a state in which it is mandatory to bear everything, so that's the obligation to bear responsibility, bear everything, that's its result. So as a proud citizen and love the homeland, have nationalism and the sense of responsibility to country and nation means we as proud citizens and love the homeland must have a common sense in the nation and can shoulder and bear the challenge faced together. Right? Point 5. Respect the diversity of culture, views, religion, belief as well as the original opinion of finding of other. Diversity is a collection of the all inhabitants of the country that relates to each other and influence each other. Original itself is a work of or result that it's no imitation, hoax, and directly may be by the maker. The purpose of respect the diversity of culture, views, religion, and belief, as will the original opinion of finding of other that it's that we must appreciate of the difference of the culture, views, belief, and original finding belong on to other. Here example of respect for diversity in everyday life. Number 1. Do not disturb other who are worshipping. Number 2. Respect the trust that others follow. Number 3. Help others sincerely without discrimination. Number 4. It does not accentuate its own activity, culture, and belief. Alright, next, my friend, I will be explained to next point. Thank you.
My name is Tris Darmaji. I want to next point. Number 6. Cooperate and have social sensitive and concern for the community and the environment. Working together and having social sensitivity and concern for the community and the environment is that we as good citizens must work together and have a rapid and responsive social endeavors to care for the own communities. Caring for the environment is a form of one awareness of the environment in the form of action that have a positive impact on the environment. Example, do not damage the environment by disposing of waste in its place, not dumping waste in the reef edge. We as citizens certainly want a cleaner area of the environment to live in, but often our concern for the environment is lacking, which makes it difficult to be in a hygienic or clean environment. Example of concern for the community and the environment are follow. One, helps you can get parents cross the street. 2, profit setting to pregnant women or the elderly when on public transport. 3, lend a friend a pencil or pen that forgot to bring stationery. 4, hail a society service to handap. 5, mutual respect. Number 7, obey the law and discipline in the life of society and state. Law abiding discipline is that we citizen must be aware of the existing law and obey them, and also diligent to the in daily life and also state. Legal afference according to a large dictionary of Indonesia is a person awareness of the knowledge that a particular behavior of governed by law to legal and parents at some point expand to encourage a person to obey and carry or not carry out what is prohibited and or what is ordered by law. Therefore, raising legal unrest in important part of efforts to release law enforcement. The result of law affairance of public law is a society that does not comply with the prevailing laws. The consequences of the law affairance of the law and become even worse if it hits law enforcement official and legislator. You can imagine what the effort of law enforcement and the condition of the existing system and legal system. Here is an example of law abiding. 1. Maintaining the sustainability of the environment. 2. Keeping to the environment clean, such as removing sampah its place. 3. Keeping the good name of the national and the state. Number 8. Internalist academic values, norm and ethics. Internalist academic values, norm and ethics that instill constant in the instruction of behavior in life and behavior of member of the collect community. Norma is a code of conduct that must be done and shall not be done in daily life, based on a certain reason, motivation, accompanied by sunset and the academy. Ethics can be interpreted as a provision that status the good or bad behavior of member of the academic community of higher education when they interact in activities related to the reading or learning. So internalize the values, norm and academic ethics. Yes, to instill the theming contained. Number 9. Demonstrate a responsible attitude to work in their area of expertise independently. Responsible in as a situation where a action or action are in incarnation of moral value and value of decency. We have to bear whether will happen to the work that is accordance with what we can independently or intuitively. When we already have a job that we want, we must apply the existing mandate to the work so as not to disturb people around who are not related to what we are doing. For example, the responsible area as follows. 1. Do something on your own without waiting to be told. 2. On time to work on the difficulty. 3. Be fair. Number 10. Internalize the spirit of self-reliance, vocation, and entrepreneurship. Internalization is essentially a process of instilling something, belief, attitudes, and values that become social behavior. Independent is the attitude not to rely on decisions to the other in completing a task and problems. Cisingan is a value that shows the work is not just looking for a living but is a way of life based on the spirit of doing the best, putting the interest of the nation and the country first there to sacrifice strong weight, unyielding, resilient, love the homeland and care for others. Entrepreneurship is the process of identifying, developing, and bringing vision into life. Entrepreneurship in the process of identifying, developing, and bringing vision into life. The spirit of self-reliance, passion, and entrepreneurial means to instill the spirit to work hard in setting up a business for course by working hard with yourself without troublesome parents. For example, if we want to start a business, any business, we must be able and want to winner in from scratch and gradually until it can develop independently without having to trouble of other. Thank you, arigato.
Yes. Okay. I'm Rusmin Roji Purnomo.
I'm Tris Darmaji.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.